so much for joining us on this Saturday. It's November 6th. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to look at your forecast on this Saturday.
It's going to be a beautiful day out there today, mostly sunny skies, so I am excited for that. Great weekend ahead, and it will remain for next week, too.
That's what we like to hear. We've seen cool temperatures, cold, I'll go so far as to say, overnight. Are we going to see more of that?
It is going to warm up quite a bit over these next couple of days. It will warm up couple of degrees into the mid to upper 50s for the high and then the 30s for the low. So looking like we may get some frost, but we also may not. Sure. So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing no activity in our area. Again, it is going to remain very dry today, tomorrow, and for most of next week, which is a good thing for us. So we are waking up this morning with a hard frost. It did reach the 20s for quite a long time last night, but it is going to be warming up fairly quickly today with that sunshine, and we will have a beautiful weekend ahead. Just a reminder, tomorrow we set our clocks back at 2 a.m., so you actually are gaining an extra hour of sleep. It's also a good time to set, test your smoke alarms and change those batteries. And a reminder, the sun rises an hour earlier in 6 a.m. time period, and it sets an hour earlier before 5 p.m. starting on Sunday. But again, for today, we'll be seeing sunshine all throughout the day today with a high near 50, and I'll be tracking the warmer temperatures coming into the work week coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Well, two brothers have been indicted.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up to sunshine here this morning, and it will remain sunny all throughout the day today and for tomorrow as well. Let's take a look at our CAV Tower Cam. We're looking at beautiful sunshine this morning. We did see a beautiful sunrise earlier as well. And on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see no precipitation in sight, and again, it will remain this way for this weekend and for most of your work week next week due to being dominated by high pressure. We did wake up with a little bit of frost this morning because overnight temperatures were in the 20s. These temperatures are from earlier this morning from our sky watchers. We are ranging all throughout the 20s this morning. None of the temperatures I have received had been in the 30s, so it is quite chilly out there this morning. If you are getting ready to head out the door, there's probably still some frost out there on your car. I would give yourself a minute or two extra just to go out, scrape out your car, or get the defroster on, get the car starter ready for this morning. It is quite chilly this morning. We will be warming up quite a bit for the day today. Waking up this morning in the 20s, but by around 3 p.m. we will be in the 50s for most of our areas. The high today is in the lower 50s, so it is going to be quite warm around average for this time of day. And over the course of the next couple of days, it will keep continuously warming up. But look at your weekend, Saturday and Sunday, both sunny days, little to no cloud cover in our areas, a temperature reaching 50 for Saturday. And as we get into Sunday, warming up a little bit more with a high in the lower 50s. So again, it is just going to be a great fall weekend out there this weekend. So make sure you are getting out and enjoying it. So right now, our temperatures are in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Again, little to no cloud cover today. Our high is in the upper 40s to 50 for most of our areas. And as we get into the overnight hours, once again, dropping into the 20s and 30s. Not as cool as it was last night, but definitely some frost is expected tomorrow morning as well. Throughout the day tomorrow, we will be a little bit warmer than today. Temperatures in the lower 50s instead of in the upper 40s to reaching 50. So we'll be a little bit warmer on Sunday, and it will just keep getting warm throughout the week. But for today, we have a high near 50, beautiful sunshine out there. And as we get into tonight, it will remain mostly clear with lows dropping into the lower 30s and maybe even the upper 20s. On your 7-day forecast, don't forget to set your clocks back on Sunday at 2 a.m. But look at the rest of the work week. We see partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for the high. So again, it is going to continuously getting warm. Our next chance of rain looks like Friday. Now back to your trivia question. How many turkeys are prepared for Thanksgiving in America each year? Katrina, do you have a guess?
I'm going to go with 53 million, but maybe 46. 46. C.
46?
Yep.
You're right. C is always the answer. Yeah, so
I've
that's
noticed
kind of a lot.
that you lean on C an awful lot, so
I always lean on C, always lean on C. But yeah, that's quite a lot. I mean, I guess everyone's cooking turkeys and stuff, so.
We certainly are. Do you enjoy turkey on Thanksgiving?
I love turkey, yes.
Everyone does. It's a no-brainer. All right, thank you so much, Hannah. Now, I'm guessing a lot of...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up to sunshine this morning, and it will remain this way throughout the day today and for tomorrow. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower Cam. We are waking up to beautiful sunshine, little to no cloud cover, and we did see a beautiful sunrise earlier as well. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, no precipitation is in sight, and again, it will remain this way for this weekend and for most of your work week because we are dominated by high pressure right now. That typically means drier weather conditions with sunshine. We did wake up a little bit cold this morning. Temperatures were in the 20s overnight last night. Here are some Skywatch reports I got from earlier this morning. All of them ranging in the 20s. I did not receive any reports hitting 30 at all. So again, it is a little bit cold out there this morning. There was some heavy frost earlier. There may still be some frost out there as well. So if you are getting ready to head out, I would just go check on your car. There's probably going to be some frost. Maybe give yourself a minute or two extra to kind of scrape it off or start the defroster to get ready to leave. But we will be warming up quite a bit today and rapidly because of that sunshine. Again, we are starting out in the 20s to lower 30s this morning. We will rise to the upper 40s, lower 50s for some of our areas for the day today. Again, this is around average for this time of year, so it is going to be a great day today, and it will warm up even more for tomorrow. So again, a beautiful fall weekend is in store for us. Sunny for both of the days, little to no cloud cover, a high reaching 50 for today and a high in the lower 50s for most of our areas on Sunday. And again, as the sunshine remains in our area for most of the work week, we will just continuously warm up throughout the week. So let's look at all that on our Skycast. We are mostly dry. We are dry today, little to no cloud cover. Temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s right now. We will reach a high in the upper 40s to 50 for some of our areas today, and then little to no cloud cover. Overnight tonight, we will reach the 20s once again, so definitely waking up with a little bit more frost tomorrow morning. But again, tomorrow is just going to be warmer than today. We have a high in the lower 50s for most of our areas for tomorrow. But for today, beautiful sunshine, a high near 50. And as we get to tonight, it will remain mostly clear with lows in the 20s. You really can't beat this weather today. Beautiful sunshine and a nice clear night ahead. It will just be warmer for tomorrow. And again, don't forget to set your clocks back at 2 a.m. on Sunday, and it will remain warm for most of the week and dry. We have partly cloudy days ahead of us, and temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for the high. So once again, it is going to be a little bit warmer than this weekend. Our next chance of rain is on Friday. Now back to your trivia question. Which country was the first to use the tradition of Christmas trees? Katrina, I heard you say you didn't know. Do you have a guess?
I don't know. Well, Russia and Germany are obviously older, so let's say Russia.
You were close. It was Germany. So your second choice.
What I think is funny is that, when you go on social media, people are so polarized as to when you can put your Christmas tree up.
I know. I posted something about the nice weekend, and I was like, is it too early to put up holiday decor? And there was a whole controversy, and there was like 50 comments.
One side or the other. No
yeah,
one's in the middle on that one.
I mean, honestly, I don't think it's ever too early for Christmas. I do love Thanksgiving. I love Christmas. It's just whenever you want to celebrate it.
I started to I just put the Christmas welcome mat out.
Yeah.
One thing at a time.
I think I might go out on Sunday and kind of just look around for decorations.
We're getting there in the holiday spirit. Thank you so much, Hannah. So another
11, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody. After a beautiful day today, we still have another beautiful day in store tomorrow, even warmer than tomorrow. So let's look at that temperature trend for tomorrow and for the next couple of days. Today, our high was just in the lower 40s, upper 50s. But if we can see tomorrow, it is going to be in the lower 50s. And then look at Monday and Tuesday, jumping right back up to near 60 for those high temperatures. So it is going to be a nice couple of days. Don't forget, tonight, the clocks do turn back at 2 a.m. That daylight saving time ends. Don't forget to test your smoke alarms as well. That new sunrise tomorrow morning will be at 6:43 a.m. and the sun will be setting before 5 p.m. So we are gaining an hour of sleep, which is a good thing about the daylight saving time ending. So we are going to wake up with some frost possible again tomorrow. Don't forget those clocks do go back an hour, and it is going to be another great day tomorrow to end out our weekend. Before tonight, we have a low in the 20s. It is going to be clear and cold, and I'll be tracking more of that warmth coming up. Back to you, Sayara.
Thank you, Hannah.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. What a beautiful day we had today. Temperatures in the lower 50s as well as some sunshine. And it is just going to get better tomorrow because it is going to be a little bit warmer. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing clear skies tonight with overnight lows dropping into the upper 20s to lower 30s for most of our area. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see there is no precipitation or activity in sight, and this is because we are in high pressure right now. This will come to dominate our area. It dominated today, tomorrow, and for most of your work week. So again, high pressure typically means better weather, drier conditions, so it is just going to be a great day tomorrow and a great next couple of days to start off your work week. Tonight's lows are going to be below the freezing level. We are ranging in the upper 20s to lower 30s for the lows tonight. So if you are trying to rush out the door tomorrow quickly, just make sure you give yourself a little extra time. There probably is going to be some frost on your windshield. Just give yourself a little extra time to defrost that. This is kind of going to be the theme for the next couple of days. Frosty nights, but sunny days. The high today was in the upper 40s to lower 50s for most of our areas. When we get into Sunday, we'll be in the lower 50s for the high, and then look, it is just climbing up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are reaching near 60 for the high for some of the days this coming week. So it is going to be fairly warm and way above average for the high for this time of year. So great next couple of days are in store for this coming week. So if you want to go outside, get any work done, have any outdoor activities, great day tomorrow, great day Monday, great day Tuesday. We are not really expecting any rain to come into our area until next Friday. We're going to be dry for a fairly long stretch for most of this week. So it is going to be a great day, great week to spend some time outside. Temperatures right now are in the lower 30s, and we will drop just a little bit more tonight in the upper 20s. So upon waking up tomorrow at around 9 a.m., it will be above freezing, but before that, if you wanted to head out the door, there may be some frost out there on your car. We will warm up to the lower 50s for the high tomorrow, so it is going to be even warmer than it was today, and even nicer because we will not see a cloud in sight just like it was today. Overnight lows into Monday will not be as chilly as it was the past couple of days. We will just be in the lower 30s, but again, some patchy frost in the area. Monday looking great as well, just a little bit more cloud cover than these past 2 days. Before tonight, we have a low in the 20s, clear and cold, but it is going to be mostly clear out there tonight. And tomorrow, a high of 53. It is going to be beautiful, not a cloud in sight, just like it was today. So you get another day of that abundant sunshine. It will kind of remain that way for the rest of the week. Our next chance of rain does look like Friday.